Hi kids, welcome back to my channel Simplified Learning with Dimple Malik. आज जो हम चैप्टर पढ़ रहे हैं वो भी क्लास 7 चैप्टर 1 इंटीजर्स ही कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं. आज का हमारा टॉपिक होगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ इंटीजर्स. So our first rule is whenever you have unlike signs, you simply have to find the product. After that, finding the product, you have to give the numbers a negative sign. Let's look at an example. If I have 3 into minus 6, so what I have to do is simply take out the product, that is 18, and now I'm going to put a minus sign. That's it. Now let's look at another one. If I have minus 4 and 7, I hope you can notice that we have unlike sign. One sign is positive and another sign is negative. So simply take out the product, 4 into 7, 28, and a minus sign. Okay? Now, let's come to rule 2. Rule 2 says that if you have like signs, simply find out the product and give them a positive sign. So now, let's check. If I have 3 into 6, my answer is going to be 18 and the sign is going to be plus. But if I have minus 7 into minus 4, again my both signs are negative. That means both have like signs. I'm simply going to take out the product and give the answer a positive sign. Now one important thing to observe is, let's see, there is one important thing in the multiplication of numbers in integers, that is that if I have minus 1 into minus 1 being a like sign, what will I have the answer as? Positive 1. Now if I have minus 1 into 1, what is the answer going to be? Okay, if I have minus 1 into minus 1, the answer is 1. So in place of these two, I can put 1 here. So now it is 1 into minus 1. So now 1 into minus 1 will give me, look at the unlike sign rule, that one number is positive, other is negative. 1 is positive, other is negative. The answer should be negative number. So this becomes minus 1. Again, if I have minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Now minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. This becomes 1. Again minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. Now 1 into 1 will become what? I'll write it here. This becomes 1. This again becomes 1. So 1 into 1 gives me a 1. So now what do you observe? When you have two negative signs, the answer is positive. For two negative signs, answer is positive. 1, 2, 3. When you have three negative signs, answer is negative. And when you have 1, 2, 3, 4 negative signs, answer is again positive. So what are we observing? That whenever we have an even number of negative sign, I have a positive in the end, and whenever I have an odd number of signs, then I have negative in the end. So this is the rule that we have to study next. Okay, so the rule after my derivation and observation is that even number of negative signs give me a positive answer and odd number of negative signs give me a negative answer. Now this is it for multiplication of integers. We are going to do few questions for practice. Okay, so first question is, find the product of this given number. So what should be the product? 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000. I look at the number of negative signs I have, 1, 2 and 3. Odd number of negative signs give me a negative answer, minus 1000. B part is for you to try. Let's look at question number 2. The different type of questions that I'm taking is for the reason that you should get an idea of what type of questions can come in your exams related to this topic. So the next question is, you have to compare these given numbers. So let's see, minus 2 minus 5 gives me an answer minus 7. If you have some kind of confusion about addition or subtraction of integers, you can check my previous video. I will put a link on the top right corner and also in the description box. So minus 2 minus 5 gives me a minus 7 into minus 6. 7 6 are 42. Since both of them are negative, my answer will be positive. Now let's solve this side. Now this side is simply has a multiplication number and addition number. But what am I going to do first? I'm going to multiply first according to the board mass. Minus 2 plus minus 5 into minus 6 gives me a 30. Since both the numbers are negative, it's going to be minus. It's going to be positive sign. Now minus 2 plus 30 gives me an answer 28. Again, the 30 is the biggest number. 30 is the bigger number in 2 and 30. So my answer is going to be plus 28. Now which is bigger? Very clearly 42. Let's do one more type of question that comes in the exams. Next and the last question is that we have to find out the value of minus 7 into 2 with the help of a number line. Let's see how are we going to do that. So last question is for today, calculate minus 7 into 2 using a number line. So I have drawn a number line here which has numbers from positive and negatives both. So let's see what is the answer going to be. From 0, I'm going to go minus 7 2 times. So 0 to minus 7 first. Now let's again check minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from minus 7, I reach 42. That means I took step minus 7 steps 2 times. This is my first step, and then I took another negative 7 steps 2 times. So first time, second time, and my answer is minus 14. So minus 7 into 2 gives me an answer minus 14. So kids, this is it for this video. If you like my content, please drop a comment. It really motivates me. And if you want me to put more videos, also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it right away so that you can get notifications for the new videos. Till then, bye bye.